Iraq manaki tanker attack to sikhiba Indian du Mumbai dagini Devanandan Prasad Singha masagi chahi yangkai hele mahakna masagi imung nupi amasung angang aniga loinana lising ani taramapalda magi matam sangnagi yum oirakraba Bihar dagi Mumbai do honglaki marine engineer ama oina mahakna makhoi gi damak honabaga loinana pot puba jahaz singda apikpa crew amaga loinana samudragi ipak singda satki numit nini gi mamangda Iraq manakta underwater drone amana oil tanker amada thongki amamba numidangda visual singna chawarba maikhu mapai Kakalakpa utkiba explosion aduda Indian sailor ama sikre haina authorities na phongdoki sailor adu Mumbai gi Kandibali East laiba Devanandan Prasad Singhane haina ngasi officials na phongdokre Devanandan Prasad Singhana US na mapu oiba crude oil tanker aduda additional chief engineer superintendent oina thabak tawi Middle East ta US Iran war marakta Islamic laibak aduna Persian Gulf ta jahaz anida madugi manungdagi amadi Devanandan na engineer ama oiriba crude oil tanker Sepsi Bisnuda coordinated underwater drone attack ama tauki haiki tanker aduda drone attack taukiba aduda mahak aruba phibam da soki haina official singna haiki mahak laying satharakpada siki atopa Indian taramanga su mai sakliba jahaz adudagi rescue tauki mahaki nupi amasung macha ani gi thamoi kaikre tawduk adugi pau phangbada maritime agency sing amasung authorities na oil tanker adugi mathakta satharakiba attack ki phibam sing thigatnaba thabak lokhatpa haukre shipping farm management amasung mari leinaba singna Devanandan na sikibada awaba phongdokre company aduna Devanandan gi imungda oithokpa yaba mating amasung saugotpa pumnamak pigani haikre attack adugi numita Baghdad ta laiba Indian embassy na sailor sikibagi wafam adu arepo oina phongdorakre